Hi everyone. I am going to show you today the way I'm preparing a tongue. It's for a family court case. These become very effective. They're good for divorces, child support. So this one particular is for one of the exes wants to have more like visitations and have the daughter, I believe, a little bit longer than I think he's like not seeing her right now. So um, I'm actually preparing two tongues today. But one of them is for the child support, I believe. Not child support, it's family court. And the other one is just because we want the bitch to shut the fuck up. So, but they're very effective, and this one, you can use this for any case, but they're very effective when you're having legal problems, especially when you want to avoid jail time. Very, very effective. So I will show you. So I took a tongue, and there you have two of them. I took a tongue. They're quite expensive. They're pricey. They're around here in California. They're about around $20. So I took the tongue and I just cut it in half, and or you can cut it this way. There's many ways that you can prepare tongues. You can do them this way, and or you can prepare it, like everyone prepares them different, but you can cook them, you can put them in the oven, you can put them in, prepare them and then eat it. That way every time you eat, you take a bite, you're repeating the enemy's name, or the person that you want to, shut their fucking mouth up. You can dangle it on a tree and go and move it every day, and ask for your petition. You can throw it. You can at a train track. You can freeze it. There's just so many ways. You can drag it. My favorite is tie it to the back of the car and drag it around the fucking blocks to just drag their asses around, since they want to talk so much fucking shit. But there's just so many ways. It's unlimited. I love preparing tongues. Anyways, so what I went ahead and I did, and as I wrote their name 9 times. So this is the judge's name, and the ex's name, and the case name, and the opposing attorney's name 9 times on a brown paper bag paper. And then what I did is, on top of it, I wrote "shut up" on top of it, with the case name and everything. But I do my stuff in Spanish because I just find it more effective. So I'm gonna take just a regular butter knife. You could take any type of knife. If I would have had a smaller one, I would have done a much smaller one. But I am going to bind the petition and the bitch's picture to the knife. So first I'm going to put some destruction oil on there. So so now I'm going to bind it. To the knife because I want to basically cut her cut her tongue so that she and the judges and the attorney and everything will not speak. Okay. And I will place it on the tongue right there. So I will then add sulfur. I will add black pepper. I will add red pepper, which in Spanish it's called chile en polvo. By the way, my rituals and everything, I do everything in Spanish because I don't believe in the, I don't, oh, excuse me. It's not that I don't believe in it. It's just that, excuse me, it's the pepper. It's not that I don't believe in it. It's just my faith is in Spanish. So, anyways, I will put different types of whole peppers in here. And these are actually called devil's tail, cola de diablo. And if you put different ones in there from different types of chiles, very effective. Here's another. When I use whole chile peppers, I like to use different ones. Ideally, you want to use 7 different ones. So I live close to the border where I can go and get different. These are my favorite. These are called chile cascabel. Like rattle, because it rattles inside. I'm going to use the nails. So put different nails in there. And my destruction oil. And I will close it up. Try to put these nails to close it up. Now this particular one, I'm going to work on it. I have to ask first where it's gonna go. Is it going on a tree? Is it like how I'm disposing it? Of course, it's after I do the little ritual and do my chants and prayers. Never ever dispose of something in the trash or close to your home, ever. It's not good. The farthest away, the better. This skin is very tough. My hands are very slippery now. Okay, I'll just put the other ones inside. Okay, so lastly, I will bind it. And this is, you could either say it mentally, but it's best if you do it out loud. Basically, you'll say something along this line, like, so and so, this is your tongue, this is you. You are tongue-tied now. I'm binding and tying your tongue. From now on, you will not be able to speak anything. You will not be able to speak anything against me or my character. Remember, you're supposed to be repeating the person's name. Person or persons. I tie you. I'm binding your tongue. You are not to say anything against me. I'm obligating you to shut your fucking mouth, your trap. Your tongue, you will not be able to speak. I'm ordering you to shut up. So you will basically say something along those lines. This is one thing that I like about not doing videos is I'm able to concentrate a little bit more. So once this is like this, I will light a candle. It's okay if some of the ingredients spill out, but I will light a candle, a black candle, and I will put the petition on the black candle. For example, say this is candle, I would put the petition all on the candle like this. And then once I'm working on this and saying my chants and my prayers and my petition, I am burning the black candle at the same time. When the candle is done, I will get the residue and I will put it inside. Only reason why I'm binding this now is because I don't want the things to start spilling out. But I will somehow put the candle residue in there. And then after I'm done with the actual ritual,